we now have just few days, 20 days, for you to settle down and prepare for JAMB. With these few days remaining, what is the secret? This one is, we no longer have time, we no longer have a lot of time, so I will just pinpoint the area I need you to focus on. I've been guiding you in this channel, I've been giving you materials, tutoring you, pushing you, guiding you, and the truth is, right now, we don't have time. We don't have time. Now that we have just about 3 weeks or so for you to prepare, this will be relevant for those of you that have been preparing over the months, or if you are just waking up right now, you are starting your own preparation now. The first thing, without wasting time, is discover the topics where JAMB questions will come from. Discover the topics where JAMB questions will come from. How do you discover the topics? You discover it from your JAMB syllabus. Pay attention. Whether you are writing use of English, whether you are writing economics or chemistry or government or biology or physics or literature, whatever it is you are writing, JAMB often publishes a list. Maybe depending on subject, it could be 20 topics, it could be 15 topics, it could be 15 or 10, depending on the subject. So go over and discover the part, so that we don't have time. We just have 2 weeks. We don't have 20 days. We don't have time to beat about the bush. Discover those key topics. That is why you need your JAMB syllabus. Just focus. We don't have time now. Focus. Get your JAMB syllabus. If you don't have it, ask me to give it to you. Comment under the comment section and tell me to give it to you in your subject. If you have just few days, you need to know the subject, the particular area, so that as you are studying in line with that area. Before I even go further, you need to know that you need to forfeit every other thing. If you have not been reading, if you are just waking up, if you know that, even if you have been reading, but you know you are not yet well prepared, please avoid every other distraction. Your days, you should dedicate at least 4 to 5 hours in the 24 hours you have in a day. 4 to 5 hours. In fact, 4 to 6 hours within these 20 days should be dedicated to only preparing for your JAMB. 4 to 6 hours within your 24 hours. Bring out time. It could be 2 hours in the morning, 2 hours in the day, in the afternoon, and 2 hours in the night. Just dedicate yourself. If you are working, just find a way. Nobody can do it for you. I cannot do it for you. I cannot use what I've read, even though I wrote JAMB more than 10 years ago. But assuming I'm even reading, I cannot transfer what I've read to you. The work must be done by you. So let's assume you have settled on that. You have brought out your time. The next thing to do, once you have already gotten your syllabus, if you cannot cover all the topics in the syllabus, just select about 10 and concentrate on them. Are you with me? We have just 20 days. We don't have time. Select just about 10 or 12 topics and concentrate on them, that you know that this topic, no matter the area they throw you questions from, you can deliver. The next thing for you to do is to get your JAMB past question. I will give it to you free. If you don't have JAMB past question, ask me. I will give you free. So settle down. No beating about the bush. Then as you are reading, get your JAMB past question. Be reading alongside with your JAMB past question. As you read, come to the past question, review questions that they have gotten from such topic. Ask yourself, don't shy away from your past question. I've told you that most of the time JAMB repeats the question, right? So let's not waste time. Get yourself ready, sit yourself down and study. Get your syllabus, get the materials, those selected topics that JAMB will hammer you questions on. Then you sit yourself down and prepare with your past question. There are past questions on all the subjects. Do these things now. I want you to read this with a sense of urgency. Any material, any help you need, tell me. In our channel, we have done a lot of videos. We have done videos on economics, physics, biology, of things. We have done more than 10-20 topics on each of the subjects you'll be writing. If you need me to give you the link to all the videos, tell me. But remember, the final word is you don't have time. You can still score 300 and above, but you must start now to run your race. Watch this video I'm leaving for you on the screen immediately.